Hello, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Anandi. Pineapple Express storm bring strong winds and flash flood risk to the California. The first in a series of back-to-back atmospheric rivers arrived in the California on Wednesday. As forecasters warned, the severe storms will batter the state with heavy downpours, strong gusty winds and the risk of flash floods. Both Pineapple Express atmospheric river systems, which pull streams of moisture from the Pacific near the Hawaiian Highland before making landfall along the west coast, have the potential to wreak havoc, especially in vulnerable areas where the fast wildfires have left burn scars or where the landscape has already been saturated by previous rains. The storms will also dump heavy snow over the Sierra and the Intermountain West region and churn up high surf along the coast. This system has the potential to bring a 6 to 12 hour period of heavy to locally very heavy rainfall in NorCal. On Wednesday, said the climate scientist Daniel Swain in a discussion of the storm posted on Tuesday, warning that widespread roadway and small stream flooding is likely. Officials across the state redoubled resources on Tuesday ahead of the storm's arrival and urged residents to prepare for power outages, downed trees and hazardous road conditions through the week. The state's governor Gavin Newsom activated the State Operations Center and the Flood Operations Center to coordinate emergency responses across the affected areas and pre-position personnel and equipment in communities most at the risk. The state is working around the clock with our local partners to deploy life-saving equipment and resources statewide, Newsom said in a press statement. The storm rolled into California's far north first before moving down the coast. Dark clouds gathered over the San Francisco Bay area on Wednesday morning, with the rain arriving by the afternoon. Much of the first storm's heaviest downpours and mountain snow was due to arrive late on Wednesday and overnight into Thursday. Forecasters expect an even more powerful storm to follow it on Sunday. The storms have put residents on edge. Last winter, California was battered by a string of atmospheric rivers that unleashed extraordinary amounts of rain, causing flooding and waves that hammered shoreline communities, as well as the extraordinary snowfall that crushed buildings. More than 20 people were killed by the historic weather. The memory was in mind in Capitola along the Monterey Bay as Joshua White by the brought in sandbags and considered boarding up the restaurant's Zelda's on the beach, where he is the kitchen manager. That's all for now. For more weather update, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update. Thanks for watching.